Mike Rutledge, worked for Oxbow Calcining. Been at this particular plant for 35 years now. So started looking at some new technology that was available to help us with control, and was introduced to SITECH and the TRIMBLE unit. And we've been using it now for about 4 months. Whenever we purchased this particular unit of TRIMBLE unit, I had absolutely no experience using survey equipment. So I had no idea. I knew what I wanted but didn't know how to get there, and so the equipment was quite foreign to me. SITECH provided certainly plenty of help in educating me on the use of the equipment. Trust me, and they're there whenever I call them. They were very helpful in introducing me to the unit that we have, showing us the benefits of having a particular product. I feel like that our purchase of the TRIMBLE unit through SITECH has been an excellent choice for us. What I've seen so far is reliability in the product and dependability on SITECH's part. What I've found in working with SITECH is that anytime I give them a call, somebody calls back shortly or answers the phone when I call. They have an answer for the question. If not, within a short amount of time, there's someone that comes and actually gives me hands-on training with the TRIMBLE unit.